Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're in a new gorilla tag update. It's pretty cool. It's an Easter update, I guess. And I saw a beehive. Yo, look at the honey dripping. Wait, is that a bee? Yo, you know what I gotta do, though. Go who the freak why is the game so wacky, bro? You mean the hillbilly? BMT? Oh, boy. Alright, we're finally here. Let's see what happens when we put... Oh! What the freak? Oh, they're coming for you, little boy! They're coming for you! But they're coming for me! Hey, they're coming! Oh, they got him! What the freak? What the freak? How does it feel to be robbed by the bees? Alright, guys. I guess that's it for today. I mean, for now. There'll always be more. Always. See you guys. Sorry I couldn't record the last update. You know, updates come and go. Alright.
Hold up.
Here. I get that for you. You're not that loud. He's going to you.
Alright, guys, that's it for today. I will be recording the full update soon, but until then, see ya.